Let's learn English through slow and easy podcast. Today, we ask some people, what's your favorite healthy outdoor activity and where do you do it? The morning jog in the park. I've always enjoyed jogging in the morning. It's become a habit for me over the years. Every morning, I wake up early to go to the park. The park is just a short walk from my house. The park is always quiet in the early morning. I see a few joggers, but it's mostly peaceful. The trees, the birds, and the soft breeze. It's just so calming. To me, it's not just about the exercise. It's about the peace and quiet of nature. I feel connected to the world around me. Every morning jog in the park brings me joy. I love the feeling of fresh air on my face. It's the perfect way to start my day. Oh, if you want to try, remember this. The first few minutes are always the hardest. I sometimes feel tired and not very motivated. But once I start running, everything changes. The rhythm of my feet hitting the ground feels good. I focus on my breathing and the sound of nature. I pass by the lake and the water looks beautiful. The reflections on the water are peaceful and clear. It feels like I'm in my own little world. There's something special about being in nature so early. Now, I can't imagine starting my day any other way. Jogging in the park has become my routine. The benefits are clear: more energy and less stress. And I have more time to spend with nature. So if you ever feel tired or stressed, try it. A morning jog in a peaceful place might surprise you. Cycling around the city. I've always loved cycling. It's my go-to way of getting around the city, and it's my secret to stay in such a good shape. In my city, the bike lanes are well organized and safe. It's fast, and I don't have to worry about traffic jams. I can move from one side of the city to the other in no time. Cycling through the city feels like freedom. Cycling keeps me fit, and I love that. It's a full-body workout, and I feel great afterward. It's also good for the environment. I love the fresh air and feeling of speed. But if you're new to cycling, remember to start slow. Sometimes the traffic can be a bit scary at first, but once you get used to it, you'll love it. Always wear a helmet for safety. And don't forget to check your bike before every ride. Cycling has changed the way I get around. It's fast, fun, and healthy. I feel more energized and ready for the day. I highly recommend cycling to everyone. Give it a try. Beach yoga. I've recently started practicing yoga at the beach. I think it's become one of my favorite activities. So, I live by a beach, but I have never thought about exercising. Until a few months ago, during my checkup, my doctor advised me to work out more. So, according to my husband's suggestions, I headed to the beach near my house. I rolled out my yoga mat on the soft sand. The sound of the waves calmed my mind. I closed my eyes and I focused on my breathing. It's the perfect spot to practice yoga. I have been trying out this activity for 2 months now. The atmosphere at the beach is peaceful and soothing. It helps me stay calm and centered. The fresh ocean air makes the experience even better. I feel the sand beneath me, grounding me to the earth. Yoga at the beach brings me balance, both mentally and physically. One thing you should note: starting yoga at the beach can be a bit tricky. The sand can be uneven, so be careful. Sometimes the wind can make things a little difficult, but once you get used to it, it's totally worth it. Don't forget sunscreen. The sun can be strong. In the end, yoga at the beach is my ultimate stress reliever. It keeps me fit, both physically and mentally. I highly recommend it if you love nature and live near a beach, of course. It's a peaceful and beautiful way to stay healthy. Weekend hikes in the mountains. I have a habit that I have been keeping up to 3 years now. Every weekend, I go hiking up a nearby mountain. It's my favorite weekend activity. The mountain is just a short drive from my house. On Friday nights, I pack my backpack with water, snacks, and a light jacket. I love the challenge of hiking up the mountain. The trail starts off easy, but soon it gets steeper. Every step feels like an accomplishment. But more than that, I get to enjoy the beauty of nature. The trees, the birds, and the fresh air make it worth it. At the top, the view is always breathtaking. I feel like I'm on top of the world. For a rookie, it's not always easy, especially on steeper paths. But if you pace yourself, you'll get there. The key is to take breaks when you need them. Always wear good hiking boots and bring water. And don't forget your sunscreen. If you love nature, I highly recommend trying it. It's an incredible way to reconnect with yourself and the world around you. Kayaking on the lake. I absolutely love kayaking. Like ever since I was a kid, I have been watching kayaking videos on YouTube all day. As a grown-up, I believe my biggest accomplishment is having a house near a lake. The water is always calm, making it perfect for kayaking. So the lake is just a short drive from my house. Every now and then, I will come to put my kayak in the water and start paddling. The movement of the paddles feels smooth and peaceful. It's so relaxing to be out there on the water. Many friends have asked me why I adopt this strange habit. Well, first off, kayaking is a full-body workout. It works my arms, core, and legs all at once. But more than that, it clears my mind. The tranquility of the lake helps me focus. I feel connected to nature, and it feels amazing. If you enjoy being near a body of water, you should try kayaking. It's a perfect way to stay healthy and enjoy the outdoors. Thank you for watching. We would love to hear your answer to the question as well. What's your favorite healthy outdoor activity and where do you do it? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun lessons. Keep practicing, and we'll see you in the next video.